So I quit my job. And right now, I only have 280 subscribers. Yeah, sounds a little crazy, right? For the last 3 months, I've been completely gone. No videos, no updates, nothing. And trust me, I didn't disappear because I ran out of ideas. I disappeared because I had to figure out what I really wanted. Every single day, I was going to work, doing the same thing, thinking about all these projects I wanted to film, all the cars I wanted to buy, fix, and build for this channel. But I just never had the time. I was so exhausted. Always telling myself, maybe next week. And then one day, I just realized if I keep saying next week, I might be saying that for the rest of my life. So I made the decision and I quit my job. No backup plan, no safety net, just me, my camera, and a dream to make Drive Station something real. You see, when I just started this channel, it was just for fun, buying cheap cars, fixing them, flipping them, learning along the way. But the more I filmed, the more I realized this is what I love doing. I love the process, I love the grind. I love showing you guys that you don't need a massive budget or a fancy garage, you just need to start. But I'll be completely honest with you, it is very scary. Leaving a stable job to chase something that might not even work. Let me tell you, it messes with your head. There were nights I couldn't sleep, days I just questioned everything. But every time I thought about giving up, I reminded myself, this is what I love doing. So now I'm all in. From here on, I'm putting everything I have into this channel, into Drive Station. You'll see more builds, more flips, more challenges, and everything that happens behind the scenes. I want to show you the real side, the mistakes, the late nights, the wins, the lessons, because the goal hasn't changed for me. I still want to do the challenge where I go from 500 to a supercar, but this time I'm doing it full time. I don't know where this is going to take me, but I know this. If you ever wanted to chase something that feels impossible, I hope my journey shows you that you can. I'm starting from zero, no sponsors, no big budget, just passion, work, and a dream. So if you're here watching, thank you. If you've been here since the beginning, thank you for believing in this channel, even when it went quiet. And if you're new, welcome to Drive Station. My name is Eddie. This is where it all begins. Let's see how far we can take this. I've created a Patreon account for anyone that wants to help me keep chasing this dream, turn Drive Station into something real. Your support there helps me keep filming, keep building, and keep growing. But even if you can't join, just watching, sharing, commenting, subscribing makes a massive difference to me and this channel. So I mean it. Thank you for being here and believing in my journey. This is Eddie at Drive Station, and I will see you in the next video.